Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Mm, Take out page number 20. Take out page number 20 of your books. Okay, we are going to start our new lesson unit number 4. It is speaking English speaking countries. Our unit name is English speaking countries and our lesson number is 1. Listen and speak. Those who are joining late, please take out this unit number 4 of your books. And page number is 20. Unit number 4, page number 20. Read the dialogue and answer the question, which meal is Mr. Burkey going to have? Now who will read this dialogue box? Raise your hand who wants to do the reading. Okay, Samaha, I'm unmuting you. Please do the reading.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam. Samaha, your voice is breaking, beta.
Teacher, Mr.
No, I can't hear you, Samaha. I can't hear you properly. Shajiha. Unmute yourself, Shajiha, and turn on your camera. Tuba, you also turn on your camera. Shajiha Fatma, unmute yourself. Can you hear me, Shajiha? Tuba, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Tuba, can you hear me?
Yes,
Your voice is breaking, Tuba. I can't hear you.
teacher. Yes,
Tuba, do you have book?
yes, teacher.
Shajiha, can you hear me?
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Why is it कि आप सबकी आवाज आप में से
Yes.
किसी की भी आवाज मुझे क्लियर नहीं आ रही है? Can't hear you properly.
Teacher, teacher, आप ठीक है? Teacher,
Okay, I will do the reading by myself. Listen to it very carefully. I will do the reading by myself because I can't hear you, your voices clearly. Okay, just tell me, can you hear me clearly, everyone? Raise your hand if you can hear me clearly.
क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही?
किसको आवाज नहीं आ रही? Azan, I'm unmuting you. Just tell me, can you hear me? Azan, unmute yourself. Azan.
टीचर टीचर मुझे आपकी आवाज काट रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी सी।
Can you hear me all or not?
यस यस
Okay, if you can hear me, so what we have to do is I can't hear your voices clearly. So I will just do the reading by myself. Okay, just listen to it. We are wasting a lot of time. I will start the reading. Read the dialogue and answer the question, which meal is Mr. Berkey going to have? Mrs. B, I have made a pot of tea. Nadia, would you like a cup? Nadia, yes, please. Mrs. B, how would you like it? Black or with milk or sugar? Nadia, with milk and sugar, please. Mrs. B, would you like biscuits with it too? Nadia, yes, please. What are you cooking? Mrs. B, I am making your father's breakfast. Nadia, oh, when did he came back from Australia? Mrs. B, he arrived home late last night. He is still sleeping. I will go and wake him up now. Now this is a small conversation between a mother and a daughter. So what question they have asked, which meal is Mr. Berkey going to have? Which meal is he going to have? I have read it in this reading. Just reply me in the chat. Which meal Mr. Berkey going to have? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Just reply me. Turn on your cameras, Azan, Rai, then Tuba, Abdullah. Just tell me which meal Mr. Berkey going to have. Hurry up so that we can start further. Okay, he's going to have breakfast. He just came from Australia in the morning and they are going to have breakfast. You can hear me now, right? Mr. Berkey is going to have breakfast. Okay. Okay, now come to this question. Question number 2. Take the phrases for tea that you use at home. Tell the class what they mean. A cup of tea, a pot of tea, a mug of tea. Now these are some of the phrases which we use at home for tea. Now you have to fill it by yourself, whether there are 9 phrases given. How many phrases from them you use at home? For example, look at phrase number 5. For example, phrase number 5 is green tea. What is a green tea? It is without sugar and it is without milk. Mostly it is used in parts of China. They take green teas. So do we take green teas at home? Do we take tea with milk or sugar, a packet of tea? No, we don't use a packet of tea at home. Tea coffee, we don't use tea coffee, we use tea bags. The words which you use at home, from all these from these 9 of them, you have to take the phrase that you use at home. Okay, जो phrase आप चाय के लिए टी के लिए घर में यूज करते हो ना, जो words if those words are in these 9 phrases, उनके ऊपर आपने टिक करना है. ठीक है. For example, हम घर में यूज करते हैं cup of tea, तो you will tick on cup of tea. Or if you use a pot of tea, so you can tick on it as well. Or you take a mug of tea, अगर आप mug of tea use करते हो तो उसके ऊपर टिक करो. If you use green tea at home, you can tick on it. And if you don't use green tea at home, just left it like that. If you use kettle at home, kettle में चाय बनती है तो उसके ऊपर टिक करेंगे. अगर आप kettle use नहीं करते, you don't use kettle at home, so you will not put tick on it. Understand? अब ये 9 words हैं, 9 phrases हैं. With the help of your mother, you can fill these things. Okay, in the next class I will ask you whether you have filled it or not. Now come to question number 3. Come to question number 3. Listen to your teacher and complete the column about Ricardo's father. Then complete the columns about yourself and your partner. Now, who will be your partner? Your partner, as we are not in the class now, so your partner can be your mother, your sister, or your brother. Okay, you have to fill these columns. First, I will make it fill for you. Breakfast. जहाँ पे breakfast लिखा हुआ है Ricardo's father, वहाँ पे लिखें 3 in the morning. In the first column where it is written Ricardo's father, write 3 in the morning. In front of breakfast, write 3 in the morning. Lunch, in front of lunch, write 12 noon. 1 or 2, 12 लिख के write noon, N-O-O-N noon, 12 noon. For dinner, write 6 in the evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening, 6 in the evening. And for bedtime, write 8 in the evening. Eight in the evening. I'm repeating again, Ricardo's father, what is his routine? So he does his breakfast 3 in the morning, lunch 12 noon. Where is your book, right? Dinner 6 in the evening, bedtime 8 in the evening. Right? Why don't you have book? Okay, what you have to do, you have to fill these columns. Beta, we are on unit number 4 and you haven't bought your book. Please buy it as soon as possible. How you will complete your all previous work. Okay, now look at this 2 other columns, you and your partner. What you do in your, okay, right. Weekdays may when you do lunch, dinner, breakfast and bedtime, or weekend pay when you do your breakfast, lunch, dinner and time, both timings you have to write. And then your partner, if your partner is your mother, or if your partner is your brother, or is your partner your sister. ask from them, उनसे पूछें when they do their breakfast, lunch, dinner and bedtime in weekdays and on weekend, तो वो आपने लिखना है, ठीक है? Do you understand? आपने अपना और अपने पार्टनर का ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर और बेड टाइम की टाइमिंग्स वीकडेज, जैसे मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे वीकडेज होती हैं, उसकी टाइमिंग और वीकेंड की टाइमिंग वो आपने लिखनी है व्हेन यू डू ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर एंड बेड टाइम. यस तुबा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
टीचर आपकी ना कब से आवाज नहीं आ रही थी तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया आपने क्या क्या करवाया है. टीचर होमवर्क है किसका नहीं करना है.
तुबा, you can send me in your chat. I can't hear you. आपकी आवाज मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही. It is totally breaking.
ओके.
Okay, just send me in chat what you want to say. Okay, everyone understood the homework? Shajiha, Samaha, Azan. You have to fill these columns of weekdays and weekends with yours and your partners on book only. ये book पे ही करना है काम. Okay, now come to the next page. Come to the next page. Those who have books. Page number 21. सुबह आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Can you hear me? Okay, Tuba, then you can rewatch. Okay, अगर आपको if you have any issue, you can rewatch the video. What did you not understand? The homework of question number 3 वो समझ नहीं आई आपको? Tuba, don't raise hand because there is a network issue and I can't hear you properly. What did you not understand? The homework? Tell me. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, now I'm going to share the next page, which is page number 21. Just take out your book pages 21. Take out book page 21. Hurry up. Take out book page 21. Everyone, have you taken out page number 21? Turn on your cameras. Azan, Abdullah Ahad, Azan, Tuba, Dania. Turn on your cameras, beta. Now we have to match the words with these meanings. Many words have come into English from other languages, including Urdu. Most of these are words that you have already know. Match the words to their meanings. Now there are many words which are used in English of Urdu words and other languages as well. So we have to match the call words with these meanings. This is match the column. Number 1 is done for you. Bungalow, a house on one level. Number 2 is chutney. Now chutney is an Urdu word, but we can use it as a chutney also in English. उसका कोई alternative word नहीं है for English. We use chutney as a chutney in English also. So chutney is a green, brown, a liquid that you use to a spicy sauce made from fruit or vegetable. Chutney is a spicy sauce made from fruit or vegetable. Match it with that. Shampoo. Match shampoo with the third last, a liquid that you use to wash your hair, and it is also a verb. Match shampoo with third last line, a liquid that you use to wash your hair. Forest, and its meaning is a thick forest in a hot, wet country. Number 5 is khaki. What is khaki? Khaki is an Urdu word. A green, second last, match it with second last line, a green, brown or yellow brown color. Khaki is a green, brown or yellow brown color. Punch, number 6 is punch. Match it with number 3. Punch is a drink made from 5 different fruit juices. Punch is a drink made from 5 different fruit juices. Number 7 is veranda. What is veranda? Match it with number 4. A platform at the side of a house with roof and floor but no walls. A platform at the side of a house with roof and floor but no walls. Number 8 is pajamas. Match it with number 1, a loose jacket and trouser that you wear in bed. A loose jacket and trousers that you wear in bed. Okay, have you understood? Okay, right. Yes, Samaha, did you understand? Dania and Tuba. Azan, why is your camera off? Turn on your camera. And Dania, your camera is also off. Have you done, everyone? Okay, now come to the next question, question number 2. Complete the text with words from exercise 1. The words which we have done in exercise 1, we have to use those words in this exercise to complete the text. One evening, Rudyard Kipling was staying in the jungle. He was sitting at a table on the V. The first initial letter is given to us V, and what word is starts from V? Veranda. Right, veranda. The spellings are given in the match the column. Word number 7. Look at word number 7, veranda. V-E-R-A-N-D-A-H, veranda. V-E-R-A-N-D-A-H, veranda. Outside his B, the initial letter is given B. What word starts with B? Look at exercise 1. Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. The first word in exercise 1. Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. Eating a dish of lamb and curry. Mango. C. What is the word which starts with C? Chutney. Lamb curry and mango chutney. C-H-U-T-N-E-Y, chutney. You will write chutney in it. And drinking a glass of tea. Punch. P-U-N-C-H, punch. P-U-N-C-H, punch. He was wearing old dash trouser. K. K for khaki. K for khaki. K-H-A-K-I, khaki. Trousers, sandals, and shirt. Done. Now come to question number 3. Same is the case in question number 3 also. We have to fill in this letter by using the words from above. Copy and complete Saira's letters to Sandra. So how we will do it? Hello, it's evening and I'm sitting on the dash. It starts with V. What it is? Veranda. Write veranda in it. V-E-R-A-N-D-A-H. Veranda. V-E-R-A-N-D-A-H. Veranda. Wearing my P for pajamas. P-A-J-A-M-A-S. P-A-J-A-M-A-S. Wearing my pajamas. And drinking a glass of P for punch, Punch, punch. Drinking a glass of punch. There is nobody else outside. My sister has gone to dash her hair. Starts with S, shampoo. SHAMPOO, shampoo. SHAMPOO, shampoo. My grandparents' bungalow. BUNGALOW, bungalow, is on the edge of a jungle. JUNGLE, jungle. So lots of wild animals walk around the house at night. Okay, come to question number 4. We have done it many times. Plural nouns ending in OS and OES. We have to write down the plurals which are ending with OS in the first example, and the words which are ending with OES in the second example by looking at these words given in this dialog box. So in first line, you will write potatoes is already done for you. Sorry, photos is already done for you. Homework is on page number 21. Question number 3, right? Question number 2 and 3 is your homework on page number 20. Pianos and radios, right? Pianos and radios. The spellings are given in this dialog box. Pianos and radios. ये आएंगे in first example, and all the rest of the words are ending with OES that you will write in the second example. Understand? Only for photos, pianos and radios will come in first example, and rest of the words are ending with OES that you will write in second example. And your homework is on page number 20, question number 2 and 3. That you have to do it on your books. You have to write down the timing of your breakfast, lunch, dinner in weekdays and on weekends with the help of your parents or your sister. One of your partners can be your father, mother, brother, or sister. So you have to write their routine and your routine. Understand, everyone? Okay, now I'm going to end the meeting. If you have any question, you can ask me right now. We just have left with 2 to 3 minutes. Any question, anyone? Anyone else? Samaha, Azan, Shajiha. Yes, Shajiha, unmute yourself.
टीचर हमारा होमवर्क क्या है?
Huh? What are you saying?
टीचर हमारा homework
Do you want to ask anything?
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर हमारा होमवर्क कौन सा है?
I can't hear you. Say it again.
टीचर हमने कौन
Shajia, what are you saying?
होमवर्क दिया?
But now on page number 21, question number 2 and 3.
ओके
Okay, on your books, you have to do it on your. Samaha, did you understand? Okay, no one else is going to ask any question. Should I end the meeting now? Okay, everyone, take care of yourselves and do your homework properly. Take care and Allah Hafiz.